Good morning.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Leo. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too.
1, 2, 3, go!
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am. I have my bag and books.
Me too. Let's walk together.
Nice.
Yes, let's go.
What is your favorite subject, Leo?
I like English. What about you?
I like math. Numbers are fun.
That's great!
Nice!
Look, Leo, I drew a picture.
Wow! What color is the sun?
It is yellow.
Nice! My favorite color is red.
My favorite color is blue. I'm hungry. What do you have for lunch?
I have an apple. What about you?
I have a sandwich.
Yum! Let's eat together.
Bye-bye!
Goodbye.
It's late. I have to go home now.
Okay, see you tomorrow at school.
Bye-bye!